Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra sepi da ka rupa. Bapentingen bat penbha.
Rengkat lang baki seng balang baper-per jong kathan cete lamingi jong ka negeri India. Ka khasi Students Union ru. Haka lai poterek mentau nai weng. Araja khatpra kala pelong ye ke Jingïakhih haka ni nong ba Shillong. Ban Pyrshah ye ke Jingterwa jong ka sarkar Bteng. Ban pelong ano ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Kaban ai ya ka hok nong song snong ye ki ritpa Hindu Sikh bat kiwe ki jai ben rew ki bawan nabari syaka negeri India. Hakani ka sngi ki sang bhalang jong ka than chati lamingi kila pelong ye ke ju ka Jingïakhih haki sorba jong ki jela bo per jong ka than chati lamingi ban Pyrshah ye ke jingtmu jong sarkar India ban pelong an ye ke bill. Haka Jingïakhih bala pelong de ka khasi Students Union hakani nong ba Shillong. Lawan si mentalang ru de kiwe de ki sang bhalang bakan top ye ka Shillong Socio Cultural Assamese Students Union, Kanaga Students Union Shillong, Kamizo Zirlai Pau Shillong, Katwipra Students Federation Shillong, Ka Arunachal Students Union Shillong, Ka Garo Students Union Shillong, Bat Ka Shillong Manipuri Students Union, Kumjo Ka North East Students Organization. Kinong karan hakani ka singi kila dawana ka sarkar bakade ban pendam no mardori kini ka bill. Bat dawaru bakade ban petrekam ban da ka National Register of Citizens. Chairman jong ka Neso uba Samuel Jarwa habakaran hakani ke jelang ulakan thoting ya ke sarkar Bteng kebalawan ra ya kani ka an yak jokor da ka jingtemu ban pelong ya kani ka than chate lamingi kum ka jaka thenyon bat ban pelong ritpa ya kiriu lom ki bade ki trai mulok jong ki jela hakani ka than chate lamingi
influx kadai ka mak tam jong ka jaj bendri ro ka wei namang sakhi na ka por isham bakibriu na bar kita ke illegal migrants diwan ya ka ban kini bantu ya ka hok bat ikhtiar jong ka jaj ben rew ro ko wei hai banta ba pher jong ka rilum khasi ge jongi handai sosi banong minang perkhat baka sarkar India kan phai khmat kan manra ki an ki kanun ki ba pher banyada chelong kerpang jongi jong ki pa dilum po kan ri se bro ko wei ka sarkar India kanang khot panban ya kita ki illegal migrants banwan ya ka ban yurat ban thombor ban mutli iya ka identity jong jaj ben rew bat jong tak jaj ben rew lu po jong celano isi bro kowe bidang sen kai ke balai chia po Asam ki babon ki samla lanang rasta kilanga ki Pyrshah hai perkhat ke jilong jeman ila ke jong jaj ben rew kimban se kisaki ne kisngi kimban se ban syam de kalenti ban pendon kam tak jingile jong ki da bakirung kit sengkai klau da penan kam ya ka sulai kum kawai ka atir lada isamla po jong nyadi subro kawai ki penan kam mat ki syam makanya kalenti ka ban yakhi Pyrshah jong thombor jong sarkar India manu ban syam ka jengkit kali yang hende ngaso banong sarkar India ayengi ki an ki banyada bante lakam ja jingrung jingmi jonggi beriu bana sabar om mabhin khot ya kita ki beriu sabar walong ginong song snong bopura hapenta ba pher jonot is bro ko we ko ki samlang sopan kun ma ngni haka sitarek jo bana agos ngadap ya kabantit ya jingkhang jongas ke teriat bandawa badai pentrik kamno ya ke NRC po jong jala me khalaya Bteng langba kesatri jokono student organization Neso igala dawa baya ka NRC dim betirkam habaro joko jalan isi bro ko we patom tang kata kaki isu rangkat baka Neso ngila dawaru baya ka LP dim betirkam majalame khliabat habaro joko jalan isi bro ko we kita ki bang kimi nanti kile ki an ki bakong santam om kene ka an Citizenship Amendment Bill cuma ajakkan rew beri ka an ya wan penjot ya ka identity baju ikhtiar jong ki celar dum pro ko we langba kene ka jaka ngasu banong lala ka sarkar India ka ya syakmat kam snow ya ka sur jong jimpat ba apo jalan isi pro ko we ka kerwo ka basya ko ban pa sarkar India kalong haswa pentombor penbena aswa baka jalame khliar rangkat baka isi bro kawai kam hapsu hak constitution jong gari India bro kawai Ikannya kata ada Jingïakhih namar isutu mengikut trai muluk nak kapor kita kiba syong hang tipo Delhi kiba keren kiba ong penginyada jinglong bekarpang bonsin ngisyam bengilam kilong penban kilong penjot yangi kita trai muluk kibalong kene kendo kesiap bede golong kenong penti bakatrai ke conga ka congpi ko kisamla kit khat juga seng long gibla kre la kolong hano ko benta gidi basutu lagi bide benya da keno kalenti reitang kawai kolong ladami kano ka kendram ka syarkhitam hapo jalan oi sebra kawai kita kibarai berpentrikam ya kena citizenship ambil ken syem je kejeng bakli ngimdan da pai berpat kalenti ban keren tangla kasor ngan keren ladang an lada kistamla ki penam kam ki syem bakak kasulai kendai kulam kasur kendai kuli manopat ban syem ni kejengit kli kai belajar asam kasorkar dia dem sutu dia berkendet bat langban ni ngaso benong ai baki sorkar hapo jong kadon is bro kawai ken syem lang ya kawai kasor banong em ya kene ke citizenship amendment bill isutu ngisuru baria kaban persikan mabiang baga sorkar jela jongi kala syem ya karai bandong em ya kene ke citizenship amendment bill handai nganapan kan ma bangi ya kentu sorkar kam dai ban kot tangkata cengkren nang tena pos sekretariat ri ai ba sorkar kan persang ban le lang na jongi kam kasang rangkat berkisamla puli je kana isi bro kawai haka sitri jong Neso nginjat skmat nginjang rangba hapdeng Jingïakhih lenti ji persang sorkar India berpelangan cuba dia kene handai Neso kayang ata kanong rem mengiyang baniata yak hak ba ikhtiar jong ke trai muluk hapo jong ke jala na isi bro kawai.
New Delhi has always had a stepmotherly attitude towards us in the northeast. They will take our resources and will use outside. We do not get anything. With this citizenship amendment bill, if I can quote the bill itself, the bill says minority communities, namely Hindus, Buddhists, Sikh, Parsis, Christians, Jains, from the countries of Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Why are we concerned about countries which are about people who are not Indian in the first place? Okay, fine, humanitarian grounds, but are we not human? Is our identity not important? But Donald has already said 12 out of 22 districts in Assam have now become Assamese minority. Nagaon, Dhubri, Borpeta, almost the entire Barak Valley. Why? In 1979, the All Assam Students Union started the Assam agitation or the Assam Andolan. It ended in 1985 with the signing of the Assam Accord. The Assam Accord demanded that the National Registry of Citizens be updated, the IMDD Act be repealed. These two were met. Now, it also demanded that illegal immigrants have to be removed. The government has not done anything. The government has not done anything to implement the rest of the Assam Accord. There is a directorate for the implementation, but then that directorate is always empty. The offices are always empty in Guwahati. Here in Shillong, we are still safe. It is not like in Nagaon. In Nagaon, an Assamese person went to ask for relief for flood-affected people. He was beaten up. He died in the hospital. That is what is going to happen if this bill passes. Today we are a majority here. Today we have our own identity. If this bill gets passed, then we will lose this identity and there's nobody who can help us. So I call upon everyone here to strongly oppose this bill, and we condemn the powers which have brought this bill forward. We strongly oppose this bill once again. Joy Ayokham, Joy Meghalaya, Joy Sasa.
It's very sad for us, our indigenous people. In our own land, we became a slave. After joining to India, the India government neglect our indigenous people. Till date, we have only one chief minister of indigenous tribe. And even now, we have a chief minister who is from Bangladesh, Mr. Biplab Kumar Deb. And it's very sad for all of us that we cannot raise our voice. We are separated from our own land. Our girls are being raped. Even though we go to the police station to file a case, the police will close the files because we have nothing. Because we have become slave to our own land. We have 184 king reigning the independent Tripura. But now, it's very much sad that we have lost our culture, our identity, and even history. We have become the second class in our own land, in our own motherland. And even the central government, they identify as us, Janajati. We are not uncivilized. We are indigenous people of Northeast and from Tripura. They have no right to call us the Janajati. We have culture, history. If central government want to pass the citizenship bill, let them carry the illegal migrants to their own home and in their state and keep the illegal migrants with them, but not in our own land. And I request everyone from the Northeast, the 7th state, don't be like Tripura. We have to save our culture, history, identity. And if central government don't want to fulfill our demand, don't include in India, let us be separate. We'll fight for our rights. Just kick off us. We will fight alone, all the Northeast, and save our identity. I appeal central government to hear our voice and every the Northeast Student Union and the indigenous people of Northeast. If you cannot safeguard us, then we are no use of India.
We have heard that the ILP is passed on, but still we have many illegal immigrants here in Dimapur, in our state. And also, I want to say that they are all not only taking our jobs, but also taking our lands. And also, the day is not far where one day we might say that, is this really our land? And I really want to say that these people are just coming and taking all our natural resources, also our jobs, and also there is no security now. And with this, I want to say that we, the Naga Students Union, strongly support the KSU movement here in Shillong. And also, we oppose the government of India to oppose the Citizenship Bill Amendment to 2016 and also safeguard our own Northeast. I especially want to say that let's step aside all our egos and all our tribalism and let us stand together as one, like this event, and also in the coming days, let us try to unite as one and let us stand together for a better future and for a better tomorrow. Kuknalim Shillong. Thank you.
The consequence and the problem of our state, this is not only our problem of our state. I'm really problem with the central government. I'm not problem with government, but those who belong to there and those who are sitting and you know, create this situation, especially those who have been in charge and those who give the power and authorize to have to function correctly, but it seems, you know, it seems dizzy. They are trying to decrease our voice, but continuously, since for the many years, we Northeast people suffer from the many diseases in many fields. Here in case of the Arunachal Pradesh, we Arunachali people have inner land permit, but what the use if government doesn't support us? So many people, so many from the different country, they establish their citizenship there, and it causes problem to all the Arunachal peoples. Is it good? Is it good, my friends? Not only that, such a big example of our Tripura, our neighbor state, they are losing their culture, identity, everything. These all symptoms are showing that our Northeast, our seven sisters in danger. in Meghalaya. Okay, it's okay, you are interested in the political way, yeah, we accept that. But just for the boat, don't bring. And if you give them promise that you will give good life in India, then why you're not giving them? Why you're just giving them a fake word which cannot be believed? And after bringing here just for your selfishness, just for your sake, and they are suffer, included the local people of our Seven Sisters, they are suffering. Why? If you really think that you can do welfare of other country, why don't you go voluntarily and support them? Instead of giving such developments and so and so facilities to our Seven Sisters, you are giving fake. Our future is danger if you are continuously doing these things. Today, this is my voice, but tomorrow, in future, there will be law and there will be civil war. Not because of our selfishness, but because of your wrong decision of present. We Seven Sisters are in danger. I on behalf of not only for the one state, I on behalf of Seven Sisters state and the Northeast peoples. Whoever went out from the Northeast, they knows the consequence.
The people of the Northeast, the time has come to unite, and we should raise our voice that we have already suffered from the foreigners, and now we strongly oppose that Citizenship Amendment Bill. So I would like to say something about what kind of suffer in our Northeast. We, the people of Northeast, have our own unique culture, identity, history, but the mainland people doesn't know what we are. We can say proudly, we the people of Northeast people are Northeast star only, not Indian star. I can say that. So from now itself, we should oppose and we should strongly condemn this Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. From the last 10-15 years, we have already suffered the immigrant flow to the Northeast. So even in our Manipur, we have already say 1951 is the best year of the Manipur, but still not implement in our Manipur also. So I would like to warn the union government, we should not and we could not accept in any condition this Citizenship Amendment Bill. So the union government should implement the inner line permit to all the Northeast state. Otherwise we could not save our identity, our culture, our history. So once again, and I would like to say, we, the people of the Northeast, the time has come to unite and raise our voice to the landman people that we want to live peace.
I'll highlight a few issues which are happening in Mizoram due to these illegal migrants. You might have heard, you might have known, these past recent years, the Chakmas have been claiming their indigenous rights and opportunities in various fields of medical and technical courses. You might have heard that we had protested and detested against that. And you might have heard about the election, the recent Mizoram general election that was held. The refugees from the transit camps, repatriation was held 8 times, but they weren't willing to come back to Mizoram. Still, they tried to cast their votes in their respective transit camps. That was unacceptable. We had protested and detested against that. You know, dear brothers and sisters of the Northeast, we are the victims. We urge and think that the central government would demolish and move back all the illegal migrants. But it acts contrary to that, proposing this Citizenship Amendment Bill. This is not acceptable. We have to stand together, unite, and protest against this bill. I hope in the future we will get what we want. Justice for Northeast. Thank you.
Why we are opposing the Citizenship Bill 2016? The point is simple. Right from the start, we've been saying that Northeast is being made a dumping ground for illegal immigrants. And I would like to tell you about Garo Hills. In the western fan blast of Garo Hills, if I, as a GSU, go there, if I take 500 or 200 people and create a ruckus there, you will not even find my hair. Yet this is the problem we are facing now. Now these people has the cheek, has the gumption to demand for separate state district. They are saying they need a separate district for the illegal Bangladeshis from Bangladesh. This is the problem we are facing in Garo Hills.
The implementations of ILP throughout northeastern states, the different attitude of the government we can see. What we demand are left aside and what we reject are put forward. This is the attitude of the government of India. What we demand are kept aside and what we oppose are brought forward to be accepted. How can we? It is to be us who will decide for our future. It is to be us who will decide our fate. It is not the rulers from Delhi. It is not the rulers from somewhere else. This is our state. This is our place where we live in peace and harmony. By introducing this bill or by amending this bill, they are making the Northeast into a troubled state zone, and as well as the country of India. They think that this will, on a humanitarian ground, that they are awarding a citizenships to the peoples living in Afghanistan, Pakistan, or even Bangladesh. Are we not humans? Are we not humans? How could we accept such a notorious bill?
This law is being imposed only in Northeast and in Jammu and Kashmir. On the ground, on the reason that there is insurgency in the northeastern region. At one point of time, the whole of Northeast was under this draconian law. This is the political injustice that we receive from the government of India. And several treaties, several accords were signed with the government of India, in which the government of India tends to forget without any implementation of the treaties of the accords signed with the indigenous communities of the northeastern region. When people's movement were being led in the different states of Northeast, they were treated with an iron hand. The Indian Air Force was never used against their own people, except on the indigenous community of Northeast, that is the Nesos. When the Nesos had a people's movement for their own right, for their own self-determination, the Indian Air Force were used to bomb Mizoram and the people in Mizoram. And now, again, the government of India, instead of protecting our people, again they are bringing this bill to, maybe the intention is to make the indigenous communities in different states of northeastern region to be wiped out, to become a minority in their own land. Northeast cannot be treated as a dumping ground for illegal migrants. We cannot allow, and we should not allow, that Northeast will be a dumping ground for illegal migrants. We will fight tooth and nail. Our fight is not for us. This present generation is fighting for our future generation. Just like our forefathers, they have fought for our land, they have fought for the preservation of our identity, they have fought for the promotion of our identity, our culture, our language. We, the present generation today also, we should fight for our future generation. Lest we'll be blamed if anything bad happened to our future generation. If at some point of time in the future, our indigenous communities are being reduced to a minority, we cannot blame anyone, but we have to blame ourselves. God has given us only one life, and we should use that life to fight for our people. Not only for ourselves, not only for our family, but we should fight. We should use that life to fight for our own people. Go to Delhi to show our protests there at the capital of India in Delhi. And I call upon all the different organizations who have a following in Delhi to organize, to mobilize the people of the northeastern region so that we can have a huge protest in Delhi, so that the government of India will see that the people of Northeast are serious, the people of Northeast are united in this struggle. With these few words, I thank once again all of you who have come here, have participated, have shown your unity by being together, and with this unity we can move forward, we can march forward, and I hope that through this unity we'll be able to achieve what is good for our people, what is befitting for our people, and also for our future generation. May God bless us all. Macaprang keluargari Imslam upat ibri nyutrap kublai shibul beli kulangi baro.